Do you need to learn how to tow a trailer, caravan or horse box on UK roads? If so, then we have the towing course for you. Hi, I'm Howard, founder of House Drive, and we're looking forward to helping you pass the UK car and trailer towing test. We offer trailer training in Norwich with either our full or half-day courses. So keep watching to learn more about what we can offer you on one of our courses. If you passed your UK driving test after the 1st of January 1997 and want to tow any kind of trailer weighing more than 750 kilograms, then you'll need to pass the trailer test. At How to Drive, we have the trailer towing course for you. Not only will we teach you how to become proficient at towing a trailer, but we'll also make sure you stay on the right side of towing law. You'll be in good hands. We use only fully qualified approved driving instructors to deliver our towing lessons. Our trainers know exactly how to help qualified drivers like you get your UK Category B+E car and trailer licence. On one of our trailer training courses, we'll teach you how to reverse your trailer into a confined space, couple and uncouple your trailer properly, tow your trailer in accordance with the highway code in a variety of road and traffic conditions. Not sure how much training you need? That's why we've made our towing courses flexible. Choose from either a full or half-day session. We'll review your ability and you can always book more if required to pass the UK towing test. We'll give you a free copy of our trailer training manual, which contains clear instructions of what you need to do, as well as links to our short demonstration videos. That way you can learn the correct procedures from home, leaving you more practice time in car with your trainer. We'll also give you the latest copy of the highway code to help you bring your driving knowledge bang up to date. Now's your chance to take the first step towards getting your B+E licence. Get in touch to talk to one of our experienced trainers who will be happy to talk you through the whole process. Call 01603 957 097 or tap the Inquire Now button below and we'll call you back.